Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 2nd, our word of the day is antipathy. A-N-T-I-P-A-T-H-Y. Antipathy. Antipathy is a 9-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Antipathy is a feeling of strong dislike, opposition, or anger. Usually, it's a condition that is long-term, natural, and pretty unlikely to change. Similar words include aversion, bitterness, distaste, hostility, antagonism, animosity, animus, opposition, enmity. Examples of sentences using antipathy are: despite the deep antipathies between them, the two sides have managed to negotiate an agreement. Declarations of racial antipathy against ethnic minorities will not be tolerated. He is a private man with a deep antipathy towards the press. She felt no antipathy towards younger women. This antipathy towards fiction is a little difficult to understand. The level of antipathy towards the president's visit shocked some. Make sure to save this new word, antipathy, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.